So generally in the polymorphism, especially it is present only in cylindrate, already you know. So poly, many. A single individual can able to appear in more than the two forms is called as polymorphism. So in this polymorphism, the following incidents or events or takes place. So generally in the polyphenol, generally the two different forms are there. That is, vegetative form is called as polyp. So reproductive form is called as medusae. So these two forms are present. So generally in cylindrate or obelia colony. So but here what happened in some here polymorphism also further classified three main categories: dimorphism, trimorphism, polymorphism. A single individual can able to appear in two different forms is called as dimorphism. A single individual can able to appear in three forms in trimorphism. A single individual can able to appear in more than the two forms is called as polymorphism. So like that, dimorphism, trimorphism, polymorphism. Like that, different kind of forms are present. So here the main important discussing about the polymorphism. So here basically in cylindrite, two forms are there: polyp, medusae. Polyp is the vegetative form. So reproductive form is called as medusae. But here and there, when you are entering the deep study in the cylindrate, so these two forms are further modified to different kind of subzooidea. So that is the polyp is modified to three main categories. Medusae is also further classified to four main categories. The first is the modification of polyp. The polyp is modified to first gastrozooidea. Second one is dactylozooidea. Third one is gonozooidea. So here these are the modification is takes place. Polyp is modified to three main categories: gastrozooidea, dactylozooidea, gonozooidea. So these gastrozooidea is also generally zooidea useful for the injection of the food material, collecting of the food material, digestion is takes place. For that purpose only it is the modified structure gastrozooidea. Second is dactylozooidea. So generally peeler-like structure. What is the main of peeler? Tentacles are useful for the protection of the animal body. On that purpose, whatever dactylozooides are generally useful. Modified zooides are there. Gonozooides are useful for the reproduction purpose. So like the three different forms. Polyp modified three forms: gastro for digestion and ingestion and digestion. Dactylozooides is only for protection. Gonozooides is also generally useful for the reproduction purpose. Generally for that reproduction purpose, protection purpose, digestion purpose, polyp is modified to three main categories. But medusa is also further classified to three main categories. There are number one, nematophora, nectococcus, phyllozoidea, gonophore. So these three are the nematophora. Medusa's modified structures. Nematophora, number one. Number two, nectococcus. Number three, phyllozoidea. Number four, gonozooidea. What is the number one? Nematophora. For the generally in the especially in pneumatic plant, cylindrate, they don't contain any locomotory organ. Similar pattern, nematophora is useful for the floating on the surface of the water medium. Generally, already almost all the cylinders are marine form. So for the floating purpose, modifications are taken. The floating purpose modified zooidea describe the nematophora. So nectococcus. So here this is a floating purpose. It means air bladder like structures are there. In the air bladder like structure, air is filled. Through that air filling, what complete animal is what happened here, floating on the surface of the water medium. So next, nectococcus. So nectococcus is also modified for the bell shaped. So it is generally useful for the locomotion purpose. This is also air bladder like that, floating on the surface of the water media. So nectococcus is the generally bell shaped. It is also useful for the locomotion. They can move one place to other place because of these animals cannot contain any locomotory organ. So that's why the zooidea can able to useful for the locomotion from one place to other place. So phyllozoidea is also leaf-like structure, can able to useful for the production. So next, gonophora, it is useful for the reproduction purpose. Like that, different activities are carried out in different kind of zooideas. It is the main concept of present in the polymorphism. So here polymorphism is also basically polymers are two structures are there. In addition to these two structures, poly further modified to three main category: gastrozooidea, ductile gonozooidea. Ductile zooidea can able to useful for the collection of the food material as well as the ingestion, digestion. Ductile zooidea is useful for the production. So gonozooidea is useful for the reproduction purpose. So similar fashion here, medusas are four important modifications of the nematophora, floating on the surface of the water media, nectozooidea, bell-shaped locomotion purpose, phylozooidea, leaf-like structure, protection purpose, gonozooidea, so reproduction purpose, generally they are carried out. Why this kind of situation takes place means, generally in the third phylum Coelenterids, all organs are not formed. So you know already protozoans, only single cell animals. Poriferans, more cells are there but tissues are not formed. In third phylum, tissues are formed but not organ system, organs are not formed. There is no any digestive system, especially there is no any reproductive system, so there is no any what is the other systems are not formed properly. Locomotory organs also not there. And that activities carrying purpose, it means reproduction, it takes place in gonophora or gonozooidea. You know already production it takes place dactylozooidea. So for digestion purpose, gastrozooidea, dactylozooid protection purpose, so floating purpose, nematophora, so locomotion purpose, nectocolicens. Like that, different kind of form. A single individual can able to appear in different form. That each form can carry the different kind of responsibilities. So on that purpose, polymorphism also especially takes place in polymorphism only. You know already, especially it takes place in the wherein cylindrical animal only, especially in Siphonophora order in the class of Hydrozoa. So this is a very important topic. So for example, the following from the example, first example, Physalia. Physalia is also called as Portuguese mass of war. It is also called as Portuguese mass of war. So because of it is also, you know, at the time of Portuguese war, what happened? The bodies, what happened? When it is present in the marine water, appear, disappear. Like that also here also, Physalia also in the marine water, appear, disappear. Like that can able to move one place to other place. That's why it is commonly called as Portuguese man of war. It is also floating pelagic form. So Medusae modified to nematophora, swimming bell-shaped. What is the ductile is also present. Like that, this is also very example only. This is the Physalia. Second is the Holystomella or Holystemma. So it is also marine pelagic form. So colony consists of the long, slender, floating axial stem. So below the stem, what happened here? So bell-shaped swimming what is that? These are the useful for the bell-shaped. Nectocollus, these are the useful for the. This is also what a floating purpose. Air is filled here. So below that one a bell-shaped. So locomotion organs are there. So like that, a single individual can appear in different fashion is the central theme. Is called as polymorphism, especially present in wherein? Especially present in the Coelenterid only. It is a polymorphism. Why this kind of situation is occurring? So for the carrying of different kind of functions, because of till now in these Coelenterid organs and organ systems are not formed. So that's where that organs carrying function can able to work out the different kind of zooideas. So that's why polymorphism only present in the Coelenterid. Thank you. It is also very important for examination point of view.